and welcome Cute Animals episode 9D. Jaguar, monkey, deer, and moose. Can you help me find the true answer? No. Let's try one more time. This answer also not true. Come on, we can do this, guys. Yes. Your answer is correct. This is a jaguar. Come on, you can do better than this.
Nope.
Be better next time. Yay, your answer is correct. This is a deer, or you can call it Bambi. Last two animals. No, this is not true place for the monkey. This is a monkey. He is so playful. Your answer is correct. This is a moose. This is a moose. Thanks for watching and subscribe. See you in the next Cute Animals video.